Hi everyone, welcome to our video on drivinglessonscork.ie. Today we're going to have a little video on how your independent driving instructor looks after you. From the very moment you make contact with your independent driving instructor about driving lessons, we straight away are trying to do the very best we can for you from the word go. First of all, we have a good chat with you on the phone to establish your base level and your experience of driving. Sometimes people have absolutely no experience of driving. They're starting from scratch. Nothing done before, never sat behind the wheel of a car. Other times, people have a little bit of driving practice done, and we try to establish exactly what they have done so as we can develop a base for the driving lesson we're about to do with them from the word go. So we are ready in the first lesson to start driving practice with these people at the level they're already at. Because we plan the lessons out as best we can based on the information we get from this initial chat. Planning the lesson is very important. We plan where we'll meet you at, and we'll plan where we'll go in the lesson based upon what you said to us on the initial chat from the initial call. Now, we provide the car for the lesson if you don't have your own car. Obviously, then if we're providing a car, we have it fueled up with fuel in the car for the lesson. We have the car correctly taxed. We have the car correctly maintained with the NCT disc on the car if necessary. We're fully insured for the driving lesson, and if it's hiring the car you are for the driving test, we are fully insured for the test as well. With the price of car insurance these days, people are just doing their initial essential driver training lessons, and they're continuing on to do more driving lessons until they get their driving test. It's more or less cheaper that way nowadays to get your full driving license, and then you get cheaper driving insurance as a fully licensed driver than you would have had trying to get driving insurance as a learner permit holder. With the A.D.I essential driver training lessons, we log the lessons online with the Road Safety Authority from the word go, and we endeavour to have those lessons logged on the very last day you do your 12th A.D.I lesson with us. So we do not create a delay in you getting a date for your driving test. We give other advice then on a whole range of issues regarding to driving. We try and stay abreast of current legislation and the law in regard to driving. Any little tips at all we can give people, we give people. A lot of people have queries on different sorts of quirks they have with their driving, and we try and give people advice to put them straight from the word go on the issues that they ask us about, so that when it comes to the driving test, that they'll have very little problems with those issues on the day of the driving test. We take time to listen to all your issues. As an independent driving instructor, we make the time to listen, and that's very important to us to listen to our clients so we can understand exactly the issues they're having and try and rectify those issues for them. And remember, we're all registered driving instructors. As they say, when we are registered, we have become approved driving instructors, and we are registered with the Road Safety Authority, just as the non-independent driving instructors are also. But we give a great service and we'll appreciate any work you can give us, and we'll do the best we can to help you out. Rest assured, there's no doubt about it. Now, if you like this video, folks, please do click the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe to our channel on drivinglessonscork.ie here, we'd love to have you join our community, and click the notification button too for any notifications for future videos that we may make on the topic of driving, and you get the notification of the video. Okay, folks, so thanks for listening to this video and taking the time to look at it. Until next time, bye for now.